Hi there, this is Simarjeet Kaur, a biology educator with this wonderful platform that is Unacademy. So, although being an educator, you might be expecting me to talk something about your syllabus or maybe of biology, but no, today I'm here to share some interesting facts or I can say research that has come up recently. So, children, let's see what exactly have come up in the research field in recent times, which I'm very sure you all will be interested to know. So the first thing that has come up this August itself, children, the paper has been published this August, where the paper says that exercise improves health through changes on DNA. So children, the research on this was done by University of Copenhagen. That is one of the universities in Denmark. Children, it says that whenever you're going to exercise, let's say you're going to exercise continuously for 6 to 7 days, it is going to get a change in the epigenetic information of your skeletal muscles. So children, it is going to make sure that the positive signals are given to your muscles because of which your health will improve. So yes, children, you have heard it right. I can see the craze of exercise going on around anyways. But children, exercise doesn't mean you have to go and hit the gym every time, but you can involve or indulge yourself in any of the outdoor hobbies or games that you really enjoy. So you can go for cricket, football, badminton, swimming, any sort of thing which you really relish. So I would say, I'm not saying that just keep on playing around, but I would say do not give up on your hobbies. So this is something research is helping you out with. And the second interesting fact is eating more plant foods may lower the cardiovascular disease risk in young adults and older women. So children, this research is again published in August itself, and this is done by American Heart Association. And children, as per this research, if you are going to eat more plant-based food in your early ages, like now you all are growing, so in this particular age, if you are going to be more involved into plant-rich diet, in that particular case, children, it is observed that once you cross your middle age, there will be less chances of cardiovascular diseases. Cardiovascular disease means about heart diseases, children. So this is not a research which they have done like that. So this research has come after almost 30 years of observation. And children, it is also seen that in 15 years of observation that if women gets involved into such sort of diet, they see less cardiovascular problem post their menopause. So I think children, plant-rich diet is something that you all should start following these days. And finally, there is an additional good news for the old age people, children. There's a research which was done in July. It was published by the University of Cambridge, where children, scientists have successfully reversed the age-related memory loss in mice. So, children, they have said that since they have been successful in reversing the reversing the memory-related problem in mice, that could really help them to be successful in doing that with humans as well. So good news for the old people where they have memory loss related problems. So we can expect soon where we'll get some sort of clue how it can be dealt with when it comes to humans. So thank you very much. Meet you soon in my next video with some new interesting topic to discuss about. Thank you very much. Bye bye.